MetaMask Wallet tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use MetaMask. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. And in this video we're going to be going over all the features of MetaMask, how you can use it, and which websites require MetaMask, and maybe even compare it to some other cryptocurrency wallets out there, or digital wallets, whatever you want to call it, right? So right here, as you can see, this is what the MetaMask website looks like. Now MetaMask mainly started as a extension. You could only install it on your Chrome browser or web browser, but now you can even download it onto your phone and use it over there. And here you can see some of the key blockchain applications that support MetaMask are right here. So we've got OpenSeas, we've got the Rarible, the Uniswap, the Compound, and the Maker as well. We've got a bunch of other ones, so it depends on you. Axie Infinity and Gitcoin as well. So you can easily go ahead and sign up onto it. Now the sign up process is actually very simple, and to use it is also extremely simple, right? So we're going to sign up over here, and we're going to also deep dive into the mobile application as well, and then maybe even compare it to some other websites, and maybe even compare it to some other cryptocurrency wallets. So to get started, all you got to do is click on Get MetaMask right here, and here you can choose which application you want to install, right? So you got Chrome, you've got iOS, you've got Android as well. And if you were wondering whether or not it's supported by other browsers as well, or is it just Chrome? Well, it is. If you go over to any web browser, instead of Chrome, it'll say that browser. So for example, I also have Firefox. So if I open up Firefox, you can see instead of Chrome, it says Firefox. So you can go ahead and install it. If it's Opera, you can go ahead and install it on Opera as well. So right here, we've got Chrome one. We're going to be using Chrome versions, and down below you can see the supported browsers as well. So you got Opera, Edge, Brave, Firefox, and Chrome as well. So just simply click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. It's going to take you over here to the extension page, the Chrome Web Store, and here you just simply go ahead and add it to your store. Add the extension right here. Give it a couple of seconds to install. As you can see right here, it's installing. It's adding to Chrome right here, and once that's done, we should be good to go. And here we go. So it's now installed. I'm just simply going to go ahead and pin it over here just to, quick access over here. And it'll also open up the web page where you can go ahead and sign up. So over here, as you can see, it says get started to, create the account. So get started, just simply click on the box right here. And as you can see, the fox keeps moving around. But yeah, so next, just simply click on create a wallet. If you already have a new wallet, you will have your own set of keywords, specific keywords that you would have saved. And then you can just simply go ahead and import your wallet if you already have one. If not, you can click on the create new wallet button and we can get started. So help us improve MetaMask. Just simply go ahead and, if you want, you can agree. If not, you can click, whatever. Click on no thanks. It'll just skip that. Now over here, you've got three options, right? Basically 3 steps. You got to create a password, secure the wallet, and confirm the secret recovery phrase. So here, just simply go ahead and create a password. The password must be at least 8 characters minimum, right? So just fill it out and we should be good to go. And then click on the button and click on create new wallet. Now your wallet has been created. Now you just simply need to go ahead and secure it, right? So over here, they basically tell you to secure a wallet. Over here, you can watch this 1 to 3 minute video to, understand what is happening over here. So, but I recommend just simply go ahead and click on secure my wallet. Here is where you will go ahead and get started with your secret recovery phrase. So this is going to be a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet. So this is what I was talking about earlier if you already had one, right? How do I save my recovery phrase? All right, you have to write it down or just store it in multiple secret places. I recommend writing it down in your own personal book, or if you already have a password manager, then you can go ahead and secure it over there. It depends on you. What do you want to do with it? So never share your secret recovery phrase. So keep that in mind. It's extremely important. And then when you click on secure my wallet, it's gonna take you over here where you have your secret recovery phrase right here. So clicking on this button or this screen will reveal my secret recovery phrase. And these, as you can see, there's one, it's like a little bit blur, but you can still make out all the white words right here. These are going to be your secret recovery phrase, and you got to make sure you write them down in order. So if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, you got to write them down in 1, 2, 3, 4. You got to have to write it down in specific orders. Many other cryptocurrency wallets require you to write them down in that specific order. Otherwise, it won't work. So keep that in mind. So make sure you write them down in a book or save them in your MetaMask wallet, or make sure you save them in your password manager, wherever. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and reveal this and take you guys over to the next step. And then just simply click on next. You can even copy it to clipboard And now I have to go ahead and paste my secret recovery phrase right here in the exact same order. So keep that in mind. So this is what I was telling you about. Once you've filled out the words that were written in the phrase, you have the confirm button. You can go ahead and confirm your secret recovery phrase and your MetaMask account will be created. And there you go. Once you've clicked on it, you've added your phrase. Congratulations, you've created your account. Your wallet has been created successfully. All right. And right here, you can go ahead and click on get started over here. If you want, you can go ahead and click on advanced configurations. And here you can see all the cryptocurrencies or the mainnets that your cryptocurrency wallet supports. So you've got the Ethereum mainnet, Sepolia, Linea, Sepolia, which is right here, like etherscan.io and lineascan.io.build, and Linea mainnet as well. So right here you've got the Ethereum mainnet, Linea mainnet. You can add more networks over here. You have the dweb.link over here, and yeah, it's pretty simple. Then just simply click on done, and your account is now created. So here you can see you've got your tokens right here. You've got your NFTs right here if you bought them. You got your activities right here. So it's pretty cool. Right here, you've got your main bank balance. Currently, I'm going back minus 89% for some reason. But yeah, right here is the Ethereum stake. If you had, invested in it, it's pretty down right now, but not that much. It's still pretty cool. But yeah, so this is your account, and here is your cryptocurrency wallet address, right? With this wallet address, you can add your own balance within your cryptocurrency wallet. You can shift cryptocurrencies around, and you can even transfer money as well. And then down below you've got your buy and sell button, the swap button, the bridge, the send, and the receive button as well. It's pretty simple. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and buy and sell some cryptocurrencies, or maybe buy and sell some other stuff, right? Simply click on buy and sell. It's going to open up your portfolio basically in another tab. And here you're basically going to go ahead and, accept whatever. If you want, you can go ahead and manage the settings and, not allow them to go ahead and, spy on you or error tracing or whatever you want. So over here, you can see you have the overview. This is the MetaMask portfolio, basically. This is another website, or maybe I would say this is a sub website, maybe. So here, this is your dashboard. Here, you're going to go ahead and click on Connect MetaMask. This is basically how it's going to open up the extension right here. And then you're going to select the account. So this is the account that we currently have. We're going to click on Next. We're going to confirm, and we're going to go ahead and connect our account with our portfolio. And there we go. Our account has been updated successfully, and it is now connected to the MetaMask portfolio. From here, we can go ahead and buy cryptocurrencies, buy tokens, buy NFTs, maybe even send, receive, all of them, right? So here is your dashboard. Here is your wallet. This is your decentralized accounts. You can see right here your tokens. Right here, you can see all the networks that you currently have connected to your account and how much money each of these accounts have. If you have any NFTs, they're going to pop up right here. If you have any DeFi coins, right, you're going to pop up over here, and transactions and spending caps are going to be over here as well. So here you can see you have your wallet. If you have another account, you click on that and you can go ahead and connect another wallet right here. You've got Ethereum address, Binance Exchange. You even have Coinbase Exchange as well. So if you have some of those options, you can go ahead and collect. They even have the Gemini Exchange option where you can go ahead and connect it and manage your cryptocurrency right from here, from MetaMask portfolio. Now, over here on the left-hand side, you can see you have a bunch of different options. This is the overview, of course. If you want to move crypto or anything, you click over here, you can see buy, sell, swap, transfer, receive, stake options are going to be over there. If you have any other tokens, you click on tokens, you can find them right here. So you've got the Wolf tokens, the LCX, DAO, the Bobo, the API. So a bunch of them are pretty cool right here, you can see. And down below, you can see the market over here. See how good they're doing. You've got the DEX volume over there. But yeah, then we have the NFT option on the left-hand side. You can see some of the trending NFTs right here. You can see right here, you can go ahead and mint them. So this is the future of running listening. If you want to mint some NFTs, just simply click on mint now. All right. Now, this one is on a different network. So as you can see, if you click on switch network, it's going to ask you to switch it right here. As you can see, we were on the Ethereum mainnet. Now it's going to go ahead and connect to the Linea mainnet. And over here, we click on switch networks. This NFT, which was on the different network, we can now go ahead and mint it right here by clicking on the mint button. It's going to confirm in the wallet. It's going to send you a transaction receipt, which you will have to sign. Over here you can see network fee is going to be $0.7. So once you have this option, you just simply click on the sign button or approve button, whichever option it gives you, and there you go. You can now go ahead and mint an NFT and basically whatever cryptocurrency you want. So there is a transaction fee, which is like $0.7, but yeah. And then you have the dApps right here, the dApps. You've got the AVE, you've got the AVE, AlphaBot, you've got the ApeCoin, you've got the Airwave, right? Bitwarden, Blockworks, Bueno, Brazilian, Brave, whatever options you want. If you click on Brave one, let's go ahead and see how that one works. It's going to open up the Brave browser right here. So, you can go ahead and use that as well. But yeah, you've got those ones, and then you've got these games as well. So some of these are pretty cool. You got the X Society or Society. You've got the One Tap Awakening. You've got the Unfettered Awakening, Phantom Galaxies, Craft Worlds. You've got a bunch of different games that you can use. Right, these are in-game supports, right? Like the MetaMask supports in-game purchases within these games, or whatever prizes you win, you can go ahead and connect it right here and make transactions with it as well. So for example, Legend of Elysium, right? Legend of Elysium, if I wanted to play this game, this is how it looks like. Right, if I click on see more, it'll take me over to the website and you can see the platform it's available on, and then you can go ahead and install it and play it. And over here you can see this is on the Polygon mainnet, which is also supported by MetaMask, so you don't have to worry about that. You can go ahead and see what type of tokens you can get. So LOE tokens, these are the tokens that you might earn within this game, and you can go ahead and make your transactions through the MetaMask portfolio option, through the MetaMask wallet itself, to go ahead and earn money, make transactions, buy in-game purchases, whatever it is that you want. And coming back over here, you can see you have some options right here, such as Binance and Coinbase, right? If you click on them, you can quickly go ahead and exchange them right here. You can add those exchanges with your MetaMask portfolio. This is actually a pretty cool option. Instead of, having multiple different accounts, you have one main account, and then you can go ahead and manage all of your other accounts within that main account, like the portfolio section right here. So it's loading up a little bit. I don't understand. Maybe I should check it again. Maybe that would work. All right, here we go. So as you can see, it's loading up, and there we go. So we can go ahead and connect the Coinbase account with our MetaMask right here. So MetaMask will securely link your accounts. So if you click on continue, you can open up the Coinbase account, and you can go ahead and connect your Coinbase wallet with your MetaMask wallet. And right here, you can go ahead and sign in or sign up. It all depends on you, and you can easily go ahead and connect it. Now, I want to connect the Binance exchange actually, because I already have an account on that. I don't have an account on Coinbase. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the Binance account. I'm going to click on continue, and over here you can log in via QR code, email, or phone. It all depends on you. So just simply go ahead and scan this QR code and we should be good to go. And there you go. As you can see, I've successfully connected my Binance account over here. So I'm going to click on done, and over here you can see the current balance that is on that account. You can add the nickname of it. So I'm just simply going to copy the nickname, and I'll just paste the Binance account, click on done. So there you go. Now I have another account right here. So you can see we've got the wallet itself. This is the decentralized account, and then we have our own centralized account, which is Binance right here, and we can see all the balance that is over there. And right here we can see most of my balance is in Bitcoin, is in BNB right here, and I have like a 0.0% in the Ethereum network. Now let's go ahead and show you how you can connect your MetaMask wallet onto different websites. So we're going to be checking out OpenSeas. This is a NFT website. So here you can see all these different, NFTs, and, you can go ahead and mint some of these up. So let's go ahead and connect our MetaMask account. So to go ahead and do that, we can go ahead and, log in. All right. And you can create a sign, and we can create our account with the MetaMask account. All right. So as you can see, I'll just simply go ahead and select the MetaMask account. All right. We already have that. And to do that, we just simply click on the MetaMask option right here. As you can see right here, it's going to open up the message where we're going to go ahead and connect our MetaMask account, same as we did before for the other, the portfolio, MetaMask portfolio. And we're going to click on confirm. We're going to wait for it to give us the options. Here we go. We got to confirm this message. This is what I was talking about. You got to confirm the message. You got to sign the message by clicking on the confirm button. It's going to create the contract, right? It's going to go ahead and create the contract with MetaMask, and you're going to go ahead and sign that contract, which is going to basically say that you have created an account. So now just simply accept and sign. There you go. It's as simple as that. Your MetaMask account is connected, and now all that's left for you to do is to add some funds into your MetaMask account and start minting your NFTs or buying cryptocurrencies or whatever it is that you want to do, right? So how do you do that? So to add your account within the MetaMask account, right, you just simply go ahead and click on the buy button right here. You can buy from Binance, buy from MetaMask, whatever you want. And over here, you can go ahead and select your country where you're located. Just simply go ahead and select that. These are like the popular regions right here, but yeah, whatever country you are, just select it and then select your payment options. It could be debit, credit, whatever. Just simply click on continue. Add the amount. As you can see, the minimum amount has to be at least $50. So add the amount, and then down below you can choose the tokens, right? Or choose whatever network you want. You can see over here all networks. So let's say we want the BNB chain or the Ethereum network. So these are going to be all the cryptocurrencies that are on the Ethereum network, and you can go ahead and select whichever one you want, and you should be good to go. If you want a particular one, let's say USDT right here, we want to buy this one, we can go ahead and just simply select it, and then we can go ahead and select the amount, and then over here, this is the total amount, right? This is the Banex. So Banex, this is their address right here, and they're basically telling us a little bit about them. So here, compare the rates of these providers and the quota. So over here, you can see if we want $50, right, we'll only get $48.25 right here, which is like a simple transaction limit. But yeah, and it also depends on different countries as well. So if you select a different country, right, you can see all of the payment methods that are available within that country. So over here, you can see the lowest buy limit right here. It has a lowest buy limit, but it has a 5 to 10 minutes of transaction time, right? And then we have Revolut. It has high buy limits, but it's instant. And then we have SEPA, which also has highest buy limits, but it takes 1 to 5 business days. So if we go with Revolut, right, over here, you can see we can instantly put in 90 euros, and then you can choose which currency you want and the network, the coins, whatever it is you want, and then you can go ahead and buy these cryptocurrencies, and then you can go ahead and manage them. And then with that, you can go ahead and buy NFTs, swap them, bridge them, send, sell, or even buy some stakes within the MetaMask pool right here. So right here, you can see add the funds over here. This is called the staking info. If you don't have any, you can go ahead and check it out. I recommend watching their video explaining what stakes are and how you can use it. But yeah, it's actually pretty simple. Same thing with other MetaMask wallets. Same thing with other cryptocurrency wallets. For example, like Coinbase. Again, it's pretty simple. MetaMask is actually really popular because, it's actually pretty easy to use instead of everyone else, But yeah, this is also the gas prices. So gas prices are basically like fees or transaction fees, or how much time it would take for you to buy and transfer cryptocurrency. Is actually pretty simple. So you can see right here, this is like the fee right here. So 2 Gwei is gonna give you fast transaction time, priority fee right here. Average is over here, and if you want the safe one, go with this one right here. It depends on you. But yeah, these were all the things that you needed to know about MetaMask, on how you can create the account, how to use it, which platforms it supports, how you can connect different wallets with MetaMask, and how you can buy cryptocurrency and buy coins and whatever. So pretty simple. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.